Okay, now to go in and grade and post the um, online test. So from your class home, go to instructional online test. You're going to see the no, this is eighth grade. I did it because it's Casey's account, and I took the test real quick. You can see that one student has taken the test, and that's Casey. So I come in here, and normally these would all be filled in with the date and the time. She got a 46, right, because as you'll see, I just punched in gibberish in order to do it. So if I click on her name, it's going to show me which ones she got wrong, all these in red, and she got all these in green correct. These ones in red are all short answer, and I didn't want to take the time to type out the answers on my iPad. So I can go in and check just to see if it's just that she filled in things a little bit incorrectly. I can say, okay, she answered this one correctly and it's worth 9 points, so I'm going to award 9. And if I keep, and then update because there's only one per thing. So, and then if I close that, you'll see that that is now changed to she has full credit for it. So what if I want to go in and, all right, she kind of got it right. I'm going to click that. And instead of awarding 9 points, let's say she got roughly half right on it. And I can write a comment, close, but not exactly correct. Or you could type in what the correct answer was, hit update, and OK, and then close. And you can see that she got 5 points out of the 9. So I'm going to say that's good enough. So now you don't want to post a grade book until everybody's taken it or until you've taken all of the quizzes you're going to. If you have the cutoff and you're not going to have to make it up. So post a grade book. Okay. So it should be posted now. So then if I go to gradebook assignments, here's that quiz right here. And I click on grade. And then it's just like any other assignment that we do. I have mine set up so I post as soon as I do it as graded, and I could go in here, change that to a 75 if I wanted to. This right here will just say it was an online test, and then I would just update as normal and it would post to the gradebook as usual. Again, post any questions in the discussion board if you have anything you're not sure of. I know I'm going fast in these videos, but you have the luxury of stopping them and rewinding them and all that. All right, thanks.